Ganda ng sunrise. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Ayan. Naka-on po ang aming faucets. Lahat ng mga gripo namin all night to prevent from frozen pipe. Para hindi mag-froze yung pipe naman. Para hindi mag-burst, hindi masira. So, naka-on talaga yung mga faucets namin. Including dito sa Ayan, naka-on yan. Buong gabi yan. Pati yung sink sa ano tawag nito? Sa kitchen and sa doon sa kabilang bathroom din. So, all night yan. Naka-on. Ayan. Naka-on siya. All night yan naka-on. Tapos, ito pa dito. Yan. Is making the most out of the snow. 7:51 AM na po, update. Ayan, ayun si Sisi sa labas. Pinapaihi ng daddy niya. Tinitingnan niya yung tao. Yun na siya, yun na yung tao. Baka magsaslide siya dyan, mag-try siya. Kasi may konting heel dyan. Yun si Sisi. Sisi staring at him. Lumulubog si Sisi. Tingnan niyo yung paa niya. Oops! Gakalubog si Sisi sa kuan. Saan titawagan na? Sa snow. Sisi is sinking in the snow. Yeah. Oh. Oops. She's doing her business. There, just on the side. Yeah, she's coming back. She's coming back. Coming back this way. Go, Sisi! Oops! She keeps sinking. Oo, gagalubong na siya. Murag medyo nagkuan na siya ba? Medyo nagkanang siya tawag na. Kadang nagkuan na siguro ang kanang ibabaw bitaw. Na medyo murag nagahi. Dili ko nagahi pero nakuha na siya ba? Nope, she's still playing. Bug si Sisi sa snow. Ayan na pala. She's coming. Hi, baby! She's back. Did you had fun? Did you had fun? Ayun. Ah, Jade and Jerry. Beautiful. Hello. Ayan na. It's already anong oras na? What time is it? It's 11:28 na po ng umaga and we are going to Walmart. Ayan.
Getting on for the first time and
We're getting out for the first time after the snow. Tingnan niyo yung snow. Ayan. Bahay. Ganda na yan. Ayan po. Nag-dry na siya. Nag-melt na siya ang sa roadways and then the, what do you call this?
house.
Parts, may mga parts sa daan na icy pa siya. Especially yung mga pababa ganyan and then yung down the hill, ayan oh. Oh my gosh. That's scary. Oh, that part in Walmart across the street. Going up. Oh, look at the golf course. Ayan na guys.
Oh, snowman.
There's a snowman right there. Hi, snowman. There's a dog. They're walking the dog. Oh, they have a snowman here. They have a snowman too. It's cute. Ayan. O, diba? White na white. very unusual. Of course, kasama namin si Sisi girl. Sisi! Hi! Oops! Here po! Come here! Come here! Come. So, ayan na. Bili kami pagkain sa Walmart. We'll see. Anyways, punta tayong Walmart. Hanap tayo pagkain. And I want to make brownies. I want to make brownies today. We'll see. I'll find the ingredients. I have some of the...
You can get a pre-mix box.
I don't want to make the pre-mix box. I want to make my
No?
brownies. Aray ko. Yeah, yung brownies na ginagawa ko sa Philippines, which my siblings loved so much. So, let's try that. Yeah. Look at that. So white. Oh my gosh. Look at Walmart right there. Oh, the H is... It's formed. Ayan na. Balikan ko kayo, guys. Ayan na. Let's build the snowman. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. Ano na pala, hapon na. It's already 4:55. Ayun, nag-melt na. May ano na doon, oh. Green na. Kita nyo na yung grass. Nag-melt na siya. Malamig siya. But it's not bad, actually. Bakit naka-doble-dobleng jacket ako? Sa porch. Medyo makapal pa rin. Kasi, especially that side behind, sa table, tsaka doon sa likod. Kasi, hindi siya tatamaan ng araw masyado. Ilalim ng table, kapal. Tapos nag-back to water na siya. Yung aming Yung si asawa, nagbe-build ng snowman. Mag-build kami ng snowman. Ayan, paikot-ikot na siya. Ayan nag-melt na sila. Roll it up na daw. Roll it up. Let's roll it up. Oh, yeah, look at our snowman. Look at our snowman. No, you can't find an ice. Ice. Can't find something. Hanap kami ng guys. Ayan na yung aming snowman. Ayan na si snowman. Like a lid of the Coke. Anything in there? Nothing?
Yeah, it needs to be dark. Black.
Yeah. But we don't have black. Look at the sunset. It's so pretty. And the ice is melting. Ayan na, guys. See you again in what? 10 years? 15 years?
Yeah.
20 years?
Never like this.
25?
We'll never have this much snow again.
Beautiful, oh. Who built the snowman? Sisi girl! Sisi's there. We don't have ice. We should put something in the ice for Mr. Snowman. We gotta find something. Yusin mo paglagay. Hindi siya marunong
You
mag-edit.
do that one. I'll do this one.
You do that and I do this one. Ayan na ang aming snowman. It's already 5:26 p.m. Beautiful sunset. Ayan. Orange na orange yung sky. Ayan na. Tomorrow, almost wala na itong snow. Enjoy it while it lasts. Kasi baka the next time is like not until 130 years na naman. Ayan. Yung snow. Melt na siya. Nag-melt na si Nag-melt na sila. Yan na. Yung dyan makapal pa kasi hindi siya masyadong tinatamaan ng Sisi is freezing already. She's cold. Hindi siya tinatamaan ng ano kasi araw dyan. Hindi masyadong tinatamaan. Kaya makapal pa siya dito. Ayun. Tingnan yung kapal. Kapal, diba? Ayun na. Enjoy it while it lasts. Ayan. Beautiful sunset. Ang snowman natin kahapon. Maliit na snowman. Ayan ang ating isang snowman na may carrots na nose. Bye, snowman! Ayan na. Sunset. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful sky. Oh! Ayun, may airplane. Di ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Yun ang airplane. Or no, that's a star. It's not an airplane. It's probably a planet or something. Yeah. Beautiful sunset. That's it, guys. That's it for tonight. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Good night, snowman. Will you still be there tomorrow? Yan na si snowman. Good night. Tsaka ang ating little snowman. Wala, madulas na siya. Dito madulas na siya. Ating maliit na snowman. Good night, buddies.